Shri hasn't ever eaten a CTR dosa. I said we have to remedy this. We've set out to CTR in Malleshwaram to get Shri her first taste of the CTR masal dosa. I love the vibe of this place. It's got this very old world sort of charm. Feel like you've stepped into an era gone by. I guess even in the challenging times that we live in, people still want to savor some of that old fashioned dosa goodness.
Looks good.
Yeah.
Looks very good.
Hi folks, hope you're doing well. I have the boss with me in the car.
Hi.
So it's definitely not a typical episode. It's not a typical vlog. You know the weather, it's been hot, warm. We're in early April. For the last couple of days it's kind of been raining. So Shri felt like eating a
Dosa.
dosa. And as we were talking, the one thing that I realized is that Shri hasn't ever eaten a CTR dosa.
That's right. I haven't eaten so far.
That was quite astonishing, quite surprising. As you know, we've been to CTR earlier. I've done a couple of episodes at CTR as well. And the fact that Shri hasn't eaten the CTR dosa, I thought was... I said we have to remedy this. And therefore, this evening, it's roughly around 3:30 or so, we've set out to CTR in Malleshwaram to get Shri her first taste of the CTR masal dosa. So Shri, are you excited?
Oh, I am. I'm really excited to eat my dosa, especially nice rainy weather. It's gloomy. And this time, like nice to have a dosa and a cup of coffee. Hot cup of coffee.
Dosa and a cup of coffee.
Yeah.
So do you have a best dosa?
No, because I don't have anything in particular. I eat like all dosas. Even I used to like Shanti Sagar dosa.
So when it comes to Bengaluru, we love our dosas. I love my dosas, of course. So I think everybody has favorites. For some people, it's Vidyarthi Bhavan. For some people, it's MTR. For some people, it's probably New Modern Hotel. For some people, it's CTR. So I think each dosa is special. Each dosa has its unique appeal that appeals to its fans, to its dosa lovers. So let's go and find out what the CTR dosa has to say to Shri's dosa palate.
Yeah, let's do that. Suddenly it's become so hot and humid, right? So
It was cloudy, now again it's like so hot,
yeah.
sunny now. In Bengaluru usually we have those summer rains, right? That
They
typically
say
happens.
April showers bring May flowers.
What is it?
April showers bring May flowers. There is a saying in Bangla.
It makes sense. So you need the showers for the flowers.
Yeah, something like that.
I think Bengaluru has a lot of this thing trivia around showers. So I remember when I moved here about 25 years ago, it would rain in the evening around 5 o'clock or so, and that's when people were getting ready to leave the office. So they used to call it the executive showers. So when the executives are ready to leave office, it would rain precisely at that point. And in Bengaluru, I think we depend mostly on two-wheelers, and therefore everybody would get stuck.
Lot of mallige, different varieties of mallige, jasmine varieties. They are like so much, in demand, and this is the time, because the fragrance of those flowers.
Shri's talking about the fragrance of the flowers, but I'm looking forward to the fragrance of that
Dosa.
the dosa, the CTR Bende Masal dosa. Times are challenging, but I think if possible, if we can once in a while steal some of these little pleasures of life.
Correct. Yeah, absolutely.
When was the last time you stepped out for a dosa?
Vidyarthi Bhavan, few months back last year.
Last year. So you haven't stepped out for a dosa this year at all.
No, not at all. You do enough and more, so there is a balance.
My goodness, now that is sounds crazy to me because I keep tasting dosa all the while, and Shri hasn't had a single dosa in 2021.
At home we had.
At home, of course, that's the dosa that she makes, and she makes a very good masala dosa, by the way. But she has warned me not to speak about her cooking because some of you will then ask for the recipe. And why don't you want to do a recipe shoot, Shri?
Let's not talk about it right now. We'll just do the CTR and then we'll discuss it later.
But why? A lot of viewers keep asking, they saw your 4 recipes, and then after that they're wondering why you haven't done any more recipes.
There's too many things happening, like this pandemic and then the house help issues, and there's too many things.
So for those of you who keep asking me why don't we have more recipes from Shri, well, you heard it from the boss herself.
A lot of work at home also, and then like you have to house help whenever they come, right? So they have enough and more work. When I do the recipes, they'll have extra work, so I don't want to stress them out.
She's thinking about the house help. I think if I push her a little more, she'll probably ask me to do all that work then. So I think I better not push her too much. For those of you who are probably new to the channel, I hope you've caught the 4 recipes that Shri did. This was during the lockdown last year. So the first recipe was a Manjal Kashayam, basically an immunity booster. If you haven't caught those recipes yet, I'm going to place a link to the playlist in the video description. Then she also did a rasam, a very simple rasam, no need of any rasam powder in that. And then she did the Nuchina Unde. And what was the 4th one?
Majjige huli.
The Majjige huli, which is actually a combination with the Nuchina Unde. So we did 4 recipes in all, and after that it was the end. Actually, at that time when we did the recipes, there was no help coming, right?
Right, there is no help.
So I would do the shoot, she would do the prep and all of that, and then we would take turns doing the vessels.
Right.
So yeah, so I think I should not push for any more recipes.
No, they're saying another lockdown, partial lockdown, like all these things. So, so even if my help coughs or, has little fever, I'm so concerned. Thankfully, they got their first vaccine, so.
And for those of you watching, if you have the opportunity to get the vaccination, do look at it, do consider it. I think more and more, the science at least says that if you're vaccinated, well, you are relatively safer. We have a video when we went and got vaccinated, so if you haven't caught it yet, I'm going to place a link in the description below. But do consider it for yourself and also for those around you.
I would love to do that, no? Eating 4 goli bhajis, anything hot, nice fried stuff.
I love the vibe of this place. It's got this very old world sort of charm. Feel like you've stepped into an era gone by. I guess even in the challenging times that we live in, people still want to savor some of that old-fashioned dosa goodness. Thank you.
That's a good thing to do. So at least nowadays, especially wherever you go, you have that thing in your mind, right?
Namaskara. What do you want to start with?
ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಬಜ್ಜಿ ಇದೆ, ಖಾರ ಬಾತ್ ಇದೆ, ಕೇಸರಿ ಬಾತ್ ಇದೆ, ಪೂರಿ ಇದೆ, ರವೆ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಚೌಚೌ ಬಾತ್ ಇದೆ, ದೋಸೆ ಇದೆ, ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಮಸಾಲ, ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಪ್ಲೇನ್, ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಸಾಲ.
I think you should start with the ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ದೋಸೆ. So ಶುರು ಒಂದು 2 ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಮಸಾಲ ದೋಸೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. So what do you think of the place?
It's nice. It's small, neat, and tidy. Just wondering whether I can eat peacefully or are you going to shoot the entire thing or you're going to let me eat peacefully? Yeah. So you're comfortable eating on camera. I prefer, not to be.
Eating off camera.
Yeah.
So basically, when Shri is eating the first dosa, we'll shoot. So when you eat the second dosa, I won't shoot. How many dosas do you plan to eat?
Only one.
Only one. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Don't you like the dosa?
Even then, I'll eat only one. I won't eat more than that.
That's the nutritionist in Shri speaking.
Yeah.
But the dosa is not very big here. So the size of the dosa is such that you can easily eat
2, 3.
a couple of dosas.
I would like to try the goli bhaji.
The goli bhaje. Yeah.
Something like that. It's
Ah.
2, 3 dosas I would rather try.
But I wanted to begin with the benne masala dosa because that is what CTR is known for. So that's something that I want Shri to taste first. I can't believe that you've never tried the CTR benne masala dosa. You've had the NTR dosa, you've had the Vidyarthi Bhavan dosa, you've had the Mayya's dosa, you've had all of that. I guess it's also based on where you live, right? So since we are mostly in South Bengaluru, you don't really venture out too much in this direction. So
Looks good.
yeah.
Looks very good. Very nice. The chutney is also excellent.
The gatti chutney.
Yeah.
I love the way that dosa crackles. It's crisp with all that bending.
Even the palya is very good.
This is a dosa that makes you go.
Yes.
Well, time for me to tuck into my dosa here. That dosa is crisp with all that bending. What would you rate it on a 1 to 10?
I can't really rate it. It's so good.
Yeah, is it a 10? Okay, so all the CTR fans, Shri has rated this dosa a 10.
Soft inside, crispy outside,
We've done a couple of episodes on CTR, so I'm not really going to get into the making of the dosa much. I'm going to place links in the video description and also probably up here for you to take a look at the episode in case you haven't already. But this dosa is quite unique. So this is a dosa that's crispy on the outside and soft and fluffy inside. The key here is the way they ladle the dosa on the hot tawa. So you've got some thick parts and you have some thin parts. So the thin parts makes it nice and crispy. And the thick parts is what gives it that softness, that soft fluffy bite. And because there's oodles of butter, that dosa is crisp all the way. It's as crisp as a cookie,
Yeah.
you know, some parts of it.
palya is good, even the gatti chutney is good. I prefer gatti chutney compared to the
Mint chutney. That's a signature texture of the dosa here. So it's got this crispy edges, it's crisp on the outside, and it's got these soft, fluffy sort of a center. That's what describes the CTR dosa. So if you bite it the fluffy side up, you're first biting into that fluffiness of that dosa. Then the crisp crackle, enriched with all that benne, all that butter. Somebody is enjoying the gatti chutney. She's finished her gatti chutney and she's on to my gatti chutney. You want another dosa?
no.
You want to share another dosa? Sure.
100%.
I think I better get to my gatti chutney before Shri finishes it. Then you can take some more.
Very nice. I'm glad I had it, finally.
What do you want to eat next?
We'll try the goli bhaji.
We also have to do the kesari bath.
Alright. Yeah, I don't mind, but once I take one bite, right?
It's okay. This is the time now.
It's 4:45.
4:45. So we'll probably not eat dinner today. We'll just eat some fruits
Buttermilk.
and buttermilk.
Every day we have to have a nice big glass of buttermilk with the pink Himalayan salt with a little bit of jeera powder. It's so good.
Well, while Shri is already plotting about my buttermilk and fruit dinner, I think I have my last bite of that masala dosa. I think this gatti chutney is quite special. Very nice. Mint chutney is nice when you want a bit of break.
Yeah.
But I think the classic combination is that gatti chutney.
Yeah, gatti chutney with masala dosa.
Why did you not eat that potato? The alugade palya. So Shri, I think in a dosa likes more of the chutney.
Chutney and onions, not too much of potatoes.
Whereas as for me, I'm all about the dosa, the potato and the chutney. Basically everything on the plate.
You can afford. Thanks to your intermittent fasting, you can afford all that, you know. Whereas in my case, I have 3 meals, you know.
So Shri is a believer of doing 3 meals but small meals. Whereas I do the intermittent fast, so for me it's one meal which is a proper meal and the other one is probably a very light sort of a meal. But I suspect this CTR expedition will not be a light sort of a meal, but I haven't eaten lunch. I just ate some dry fruits before we stepped out. So I'm just coming off how many hours?
Almost 20 hours.
20 hours.
20 hours.
So I'm coming off a 19-20 hours sort of an intermittent fasting window. And I'm breaking my fast with a bende masala dosa. Don't judge me on that, but you know, once in a while.
It's okay to indulge. It's okay to indulge, you know, once in a while.
one plate body bhaji and one case kebab.
You know, the bende masala is good. You know, bende masala is good. And today is also not one of those days where I'm going to be tasting many dishes. I will grant myself the luxury of the second bende masala dosa as well. Are you okay with that?
You will get the buttermilk for sure.
You know, there are people who swear by the CTR dosa.
Sikkapatti ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. It's very nice, very nice. See, I've eaten so many different types of dosa. And it's really one of the best. Very, no doubt about it.
Which is why I've ordered the second.
Not for me.
You're not going to have even a bit with the gatti chutney?
No.
You won't be tempted?
No, I will not be tempted.
Well, as for me, I think this will be the only meal that I'll have today. So I'm granting myself the luxury of having 2 bende masala dosa.
Night anyway, you're not eating. You're just eating maybe some fruits and some buttermilk. So you can have this problem.
And what happens is when I'm shooting, I'm tasting multiple dishes. I'm tasting 6 or 7 dishes. So I'm preserving my appetite, my palate, so I can taste those many dishes. But today I know I'm not going to be tasting those many dishes. It feels a little wicked. It feels very indulgent, and I think that's the reason why I'm trying to rationalize to myself as to why I think I'll eat that second dosa. But I think I'm done with the rationalizing. I'm just going to tuck into it, enjoy it. Mostly maida.
The same chutney, I'm so happy.
Roti chutney. This is a perfect texture. So it's going to be a little crunchy on the outside.
So good.
Very simple though. It's also a bit spicy, you know. You got some green chili in that. You want a good goli bhaji to tug on your bite, so you got to have that slight stretchy character too.
Yeah, nice actually.
That stretchiness of it, right? ಇದು ಬರೀ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಗೋಲಿ ಬಜ್ಜಿ?
ಗೋಲಿ ಬಜ್ಜಿ 4 ಗಂಟೆ ಮೇಲೆ.
So you want to taste a goli bhaji here, it's only in the evening. Actually, you don't even need the chutney when you're enjoying this goli bhaji. It's got the coconut, it's got the curry leaf, it's got the chili, it's got a bit of cumin, I think. So it's got that crunch, then you bite into, then it's soft inside, and it's got a bit of a stretchy pull as you bite on that goli bhaji. But I'm looking forward to my second benne masala dosa. I love that roasted color. All thanks to the benne.
Eat it, right?
I don't want it, I'm done. I would rather that you eat the koli bhaji and I get to taste the masala dosa. That crisp crackle of that masala dosa. You know, the size of the masala dosa here is such that you can easily order something else along with it. It's not a very big masala dosa, right?
No,
It's not a masala dosa that really fills you up.
no. You can easily do.
Palya is supremely flavorful with the coriander,
Coriander, onions,
onions.
green chilies.
I think there's a fair bit of turmeric.
Yeah, turmeric they put normal, a pinch of
But
turmeric.
the color of this palya is quite bright yellow. But you know, there's some masala dosa where the palya is light in color.
Yeah, it has to be, this is the perfect color.
The palya is quite creamy.
Yeah.
Gatti gatti illa. That palya is very creamy, is soft, it's almost mousse-like. That texture of the dosa is what gets me every time. That crisp bite of the dosa and that fluffy inside. So you're biting into the crisp and the fluffy at the same time. That's a dosa you can fall in love with.
Big fans.
So you're seeing the video and then coming here.
We were watching your videos.
But your first time CTR?
Yeah, today on first time.
Really?
Yeah.
Yesterday we saw your videos actually
And
together.
today I saw that Baswan Gudi Elnir Katte video. I saw today.
saw that today.
Afternoon only. Yeah, we are big fans.
Nice meeting you, sir.
Nice.
Thank you very much. What are your names?
Bhagyashri,
Usha,
my mother.
my
Namaskar.
mom's birthday.
Oh, happy birthday! Happy birthday!
That's why we came here.
Lovely. Enjoy your dosa.
Yeah,
Thank you,
See you.
sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Oh my god, look at the ghee. Oh, it is your kind of food.
It's lush with all that tuppa. The tuppa, the raisins and the godambi. How's the kesari bath?
It's not my favorite. It's nothing wow about it. Whereas the dosa and goli bhaji are like really good, but kesari bath is okay. It's nothing like wow about it.
I think today the hand that has probably made it, there is a difference. The character of this kesari bath, if I remember, is that it's a sort of kesari bath that is lush with the ghee, yet also has a bit of that sticky jamminess of sorts.
Kesari bath should be always that sticky suji is like ella separate agide.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು.
Gooey, gooey.
It should be a little slightly gooey. So I think that's a slight difference in the kesari bath. Coffee is nice. So what's your verdict on CTR?
CTR is very good. It's an experience. I think everybody should just come at least once. So you can always say, yeah, I had dosa in CTR. Dosa in CTR. I always wanted to have dosa here, but somehow it didn't happen. The time was not because we were so busy in back-to-back shoots, and somehow the time finally came today for me to have this dosa. My dream came true.
I think that marks the end of our CTR vlog. Or introducing Shri, my boss, to the CTR masala dosa, the benne masala dosa. I'm happy that she enjoyed the experience. I hope you enjoyed this vlog too. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and do share it with friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to the second channel, the Kripal Mana channel yet, do consider subscribing and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.